Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children. Oh, you're singing the body song. Are you ready to learn the body song with us, kids?
Yeah!
First of all, what is the word for head in isiZulu? That's right, ikanda. And what is the word for arm in isiZulu? Very good, ingalo. Now, what is the word for leg in isiZulu? Very good, umlenze. Are you ready to sing along?
Nginekanda, nginengalo, nginomlenze.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. Ngina means I have. But in isiZulu, we put these words together. So ngina plus ikanda becomes nginekanda. Because A plus I is E, nginekanda. And ngina plus umlenze becomes nginomlenze. Because A plus U is O, nginomlenze. What is the word for hand in isiZulu? That's right, isandla. And what is the word for shoulder in isiZulu? That's right, ihlombe. Now, what is the word for foot in isiZulu? Very good, unyawo. Are you ready to sing along?
Nginesandla, nginehlombe, nginonyawo.
Can you tell me what the word is for eye in isiZulu? That's right, ihlo. And what is the word for ear in isiZulu? Very good, indlebe. Now, what is the word for mouth in isiZulu? That's right, umlomo. Are you ready to sing along?
Nginezindlebe, nginamehlo, nginomlomo.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. Did you notice that the word for ear is indlebe, but the word for ears is izindlebe? And when we put ngina together with izindlebe, it becomes nginezindlebe. And the word for eye is ihlo, but the word for eyes is amehlo. And when we put ngina together with amehlo, it becomes nginamehlo. You see how easy it is? And now you know the body song. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Salani kahle.